What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to switch from Windows 11 back to the Windows 10 operating system. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Before we begin, know that if it's been more than 10 days since you upgraded to Windows 11, the built-in option to revert to Windows 10 won't be available. The same goes for those who've purchased a new device with Windows 11. But don't worry, you can still switch back to Windows 10 without losing your Microsoft license. First, safeguard your personal files. This process will require a clean installation of Windows 10, meaning any data on your device will be wiped. Take a moment to back up important documents, photos and other files onto an external drive or USB flash drive. This step is crucial to ensure you don't lose anything important. Next, ensure that Windows 11 is activated with a digital license linked to your Microsoft account. This digital license is key because it means when you install Windows 10, it should automatically reactivate without the need for a product key. To check your activation status, navigate to Settings, then to the System section and open the Activation tab. Here, you should see that Windows 11 is indeed activated with a digital license. Now, let's download the necessary tools from Microsoft to facilitate the downgrade. Head over to the official Microsoft website to download the Windows 10 installation media. You can find a direct link in the video description. Once on the Windows 10 download page, select Download Tool Now under the Create Windows 10 Installation Media section. This tool will help you create a bootable USB or DVD to install Windows 10. After downloading the tool, run it. Accept the license terms, and when prompted, choose Create Installation Media for another PC. You'll then select the language, edition and architecture for Windows 10. I recommend sticking with the defaults or matching them with your current Windows 11 settings. Proceed to create the installation media. Once your bootable drive is ready, it's time to install Windows 10. Insert the USB or DVD you've just created and restart your computer. You might need to enter the BIOS or UEFI settings to boot from the USB stick. Look for a message on the startup screen indicating which key to press to enter the setup. Normally, these are F2, F12, delete or escape keys. Follow the on-screen instructions to install Windows 10. Choose Custom, Install Windows Only Advanced when prompted to ensure a clean installation. Remember, this step will delete all existing data on the drive where Windows 10 will be installed, which is why backing up your data beforehand is critical. After the installation process, Windows 10 will guide you through its initial setup. Choose your region, preferred language, and keyboard layout. When prompted to sign in with a Microsoft account, you can either log in, create a new account, or skip the step and create a local user account instead. Once the setup is complete, you'll now be able to use Windows 10 on your previous Windows 11 PC. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.